In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply with a meeting in Outlook. Turning a long email thread into a calendar invite is a quick way to get everyone aligned without copying addresses by hand. Here's how to do it smoothly in Outlook on the web. First, open Outlook in your browser and sign in. Give your inbox a moment to load, then navigate to the message you want to convert into a meeting. It's usually best to open the most recent email in the conversation so you capture the latest recipients and subject line. Keep in mind that only people in To in CC will be included. Anyone who is BCC'd won't be visible or added to the meeting. With the email open, look along the top toolbar of the message for the three vertical dots labeled More Actions. Click that to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. In the menu, choose Other Reply Actions. This is where Outlook groups some of the less common but very handy reply tools. From there, select Reply All by Meeting. Outlook will create a new meeting draft for you automatically. The subject is pulled from the email, the attendees are pre-filled from the To and CC fields, and the original message is copied into the body so everyone has context. Now it's time to fine-tune the details before you send. Set the date, start time, and end time. If you're coordinating across time zones, double check the time zone indicator so you don't accidentally book people at odd hours. You can open the scheduling assistant to scan for conflicts and nudge the start time to the next available slot that works for most attendees. If someone doesn't need to be there, remove them now or mark them as optional to reduce pressure on their calendar. Add a location. You can type a physical room, select a resource if your organization manages room calendars, or turn it into an online meeting. In Outlook on the web, there's usually a toggle to add an online meeting link, which inserts the conferencing details automatically. In the body, keep the original email for reference and add a brief agenda or objective so attendees know what decisions you aim to make. Give everything a final review, subject line, attendees, date and time, location, and description. When you're ready, click send to dispatch the invite to everyone on the thread. If you still need input or approvals before inviting, you can save the meeting and come back to it later. That's it. You've turned an email into a clear, actionable meeting with just a few clicks, keeping context intact and saving time.